Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix speaker sound low issue on any iPhone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just check the speakers of your iPhone and check if they are blocked by any dust or debris. Now if the speakers of your iPhone are blocked by any dust or debris, just clean them using a soft cloth. After you do that, now just increase the volume of your iPhone by pressing the volume up button. Now you can also increase the volume if you swipe down from the top right of the screen. Now in the control center, you can increase the volume of your iPhone from here. Now after that, the next step is to open settings, then go to accessibility. In accessibility, you will find the option of touch. Just tap on it, and from here you will find the option of call audio routing. Just tap on it. Now if it is on Bluetooth headset or speaker, just select automatic. After you do that, now just go back. Now in the accessibility page, you will find the option of hearing devices. Just tap on it, and from here, if hearing aid compatibility is enabled on your iPhone, just disable it if you are not using any hearing aid device. Now after that, just go back. Now in the settings page, you will find the option of sounds and haptics. Just tap on it. Now first of all, if silent mode is enabled on your iPhone, just disable it by disabling this toggle. After that, on this page, you will find the option of headphone safety. Just tap on it. Now, if reduce loud audio is enabled on your iPhone, just disable reduce loud audio. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, just force restart your iPhone. Now for that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. Now for that, just open Setting, then go to General. In General, you will find the option of Software Update. Just tap on it, and from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then the last thing to do is to open Settings, then go to General. Now, at the bottom of this page, there is the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on it and tap on Reset. Now, in this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Now, just enter your lock screen passcode, then tap on Reset All Settings. Now this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the settings of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix speaker sound low issue on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.